Cool. Hello everyone, welcome to weekly SIG meeting for Monday 26th of August 2024. Got 3 items on the agenda already. Ismail.
Yep. I added actually 3 PRs here where I'm waiting for feedback for review. Like 2 months ago, I mentioned for the first of them. Now there is also a third one. I'm not sure whether it makes sense to go over each and every PR again. Not sure if you want, I can briefly outline the motivation of the PRs, but we can also leave it for offline reading as there are issues linked with the PRs, so it should be everything should be properly described, like what's the motivation and why we suggest this improvement and so on.
I think unfortunately, I don't think we've got any of the VPA maintainers on the call this week. I'll drop a message to DM to a couple of people and see if we can get some eyes on them.
If you want, I can also ping in the SIG Autoscaling channel if it's being watched.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'll do that.
Awesome. Thanks. Awesome. Kuba.
Yeah, hi. So I've been out for a while because I'm not working, but I am back and I wanted to bump the carpenter alignment PRs again. Seems that there has been very little progress, but now we have Magic's review there, and pretty much all of the approvals from the stakeholders should be there, apart from I think UK. So I would appreciate review there, and the other one as well is about the API, but it's much more early stages. And Magic had very small comments. I will address them soon. But I wanted to wait for your review as well. So that's one thing. And another person approached me about a review for a Helm chart PR. And I looked into it. I mean, I have zero experience with Helm charts, unfortunately, and wanted to redirect him, but turns out there's only one owner, and that's you guys. And he said he's already reached out to you probably no capacity, right? So I'm just wondering, do you have any plans to rectify this going forward?
Sorry. Yeah, I have tried to persuade someone else to.
Sorry, I can't hear you. I don't know if it's just me or my setup.
No. You able to hear me now, Kuba?
Yes, I can. Could you repeat again?
Okay. Yeah, sorry. So I have previously tried to persuade someone who had contributed in the past to become a maintainer as well, to share the load a bit. They in the end decided they didn't have enough bandwidth as well. I think maybe it's something I'll put out comms in the SIG channel to find if there are existing members of the org who are experienced in Helm chart who would be willing to become co-owners.
That would be great. Would you be willing to take a look at this one PR that I got routed to me? I can just
yeah.
to you after.
Yeah, sure. Awesome. Okay. Other than that, one thing worth mentioning, Match's unable to make it today. However, he dropped me a message saying that he's in the process of the 131 release. Should hopefully be done by end of day tomorrow. So yeah, for those waiting for it, it should be there and usable by the end of the day tomorrow. But thanks for your patience. Jack, you've got your hand up. Is that just?
Yeah, I just wanted to speak to the earlier comment. Kuba, which Helm charts are we talking about? Are we talking about the main cluster autoscaler Helm chart for everything, or is there a VPA Helm chart? Got it. Cool. I'm happy to volunteer myself to lean into that. It definitely needs some love. I mean, it's a really hard thing to maintain a single Helm chart for the feature matrix across all the various cluster autoscaler providers. But I agree that it would be super beneficial for users to trust that the Helm chart is definitive and feature complete and everything.
Yeah, I just posted the PI question on chat if anybody's interested. It's security context related.
Sorry, the joys of having to use browser versions in for this. Cool, awesome, thanks. Yeah, I think there's a pile of potential improvements, particularly in like testing and release process for the Helm charts that we could do. But it's just been something that's been sat on the back burner for so long. Never found the time to prioritize it. Okay, awesome. That was all we had on the agenda for this week. Is there anything else that anyone wants to raise? I'll drop you a DM, Jack, on Helm chart after this.
Cool.
So, cool. In that case, other than that, enjoy the rest of your Mondays, everyone. Thanks very much.
Bye bye. Have a nice week.